Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's have a look at these Xbox wireless headsets and find out if they are the right choice for the Xbox. These headsets are not new and were released almost 1 year ago. I needed a new pair of headsets for my Xbox Series X since the SteelSeries 9.6 was broken in less than 2 years. So this Xbox wireless headset was a good choice. They also have Bluetooth, so you can connect them with your mobile or tablet and support Dolby Atmos. Let's go and check them out. I have to say that I like the design of this headset, which is clean and simple. The color is black with some green elements on it just to mark the Xbox color. The headband and the driver's material are made of a soft memory foam. I tested it for about 2 hours and I didn't have any issues, and they were comfortable enough, even for me that I wear eyeglasses. The material of the headband is a mix of plastic and metal, and to me feels really high quality. You can adjust the length, but you can't close or rotate the driver, so keep that in mind if you want to store them and save space. Speaking about drivers, we have two drivers of 40mm neodymium with a response frequency from 20Hz to 20 kHz and an impedance of 36 ohms. Inside the box you will find the headset, a manual and a USB-C cable, which to me is not useful at all considering how short it is. Now let's move to the connection and settings, but before that I wanted to say guys that this video is brought to you by me. I would much appreciate if you hit that like button in case you like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It helps grow the channel and allow me to bring more content like this. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move on. Before connecting to the Xbox, let's have a look at the commands and ports. On the left, there is the power button that if we press once, will turn on or off the headset, and if we keep pressing for 5 seconds, it will start the pairing mode. Under that, there is the button for muting the mic. The mic has a white LED so you can understand if it's on or off. I would have preferred a green-red light LED for that, but that's it. The mic is okay for this kind of headsets, not too bad in my opinion. It is flexible so you can adjust it to better adapt your needs. It is not retractable, but you can only fold it near to the cushions. On the same side here, there is the wheel for balancing the in-game volume or chat volume. This mechanism is something I haven't seen on other headsets and I find it useful and easy to control even if you are in an intensive gaming session. You can see also here there are two small icons to let you know on which side you have to move the wheel. Also while rotating the wheel you can feel a little click, which it means that the volume is exactly in the middle between the game and the chat. On the right side there is the volume wheel that has the Xbox logo on it. This doesn't have an infinite rotation, it will stop when reaching the maximum or minimum. Also here we have a small logo to let us know in which direction to move the wheel for the volume. On the same side, under the logo, there is also the USB Type-C port for charging. Speaking about charging, it has a fast charging feature that can provide in 30 minutes about 4 hours of battery life, and in 3 hours can charge the full battery if the headset is not in use. The battery life is about 15 hours, but I was able with a full battery and only connected to the Xbox to reach about 12-13 hours more or less. Keep in mind that these results will depend on how you use the headset and if you are connected also to other devices, the audio settings and the volume of the headset. The connection with the Xbox is the standard procedure. You have to press 4 seconds the button on the headset to enter the pairing mode, and the pairing button on your Xbox. In a few seconds the headset will connect and you might have a firmware update notification. Go ahead and do that before modifying all the settings. Now, using the Xbox Accessories app you can modify some settings. For example, the auto mute function. The word says all. You can tell the mic to auto mute if you are not speaking. Actually isn't going to really auto mute itself. What it does, from what I've tested, is reduce the volume of the mic up to 80% so the gaming lobby won't hear any sound unless you start speaking. Then we can adjust the brightness of the mic. You can leave it on max, I didn't notice any influence on the battery life. Here we can set up also the mic monitoring, which I recommend leaving on medium, but you can change it as you like the most. We can connect the headset to a mobile phone, we will get there in a minute. And in this sub-menu, we can also choose when we receive an incoming call and what is happening with the volume of the headset. Here we can also change the equalizer and other functions related to audio, but there are only a few settings here and I didn't find it this helpful at all. If you can, you should try Dolby Atmos instead, since these headsets support it perfectly. Trust me, the experience and the audio with Dolby is something that once you listen and set up properly, you won't come back. These headsets support it perfectly, and a lot of games support it too. Sure, you have to buy the app, which if I'm not wrong costs $40.99, but is lifetime license connected to your account and not to your hardware. Maybe you have to tune in some settings to find out the best for your headsets and your ears, but I can tell you with no doubt that you won't regret it once you find the right settings for yourself. We can connect the headsets to our PC via Bluetooth or using the Xbox wireless adapter. If you connect it using the wireless adapter, then it is possible to use the Xbox accessories app, as we did in the Xbox, and the Dolby app too. They have the same settings and both apps are similar as the Xbox ones. One issue that you might encounter when you connect using the PC wireless adapter is that when you enable the Dolby Atmos and the game supports it too, well, you might have some audio stuttering. Apparently, it seems that the USB wireless adapter does not fully support the Dolby Atmos. Let's hope Microsoft will fix this soon. These headsets can be connected to a mobile phone via Bluetooth, so you can use them for listening to music or for making calls. The connection is pretty simple, and in a couple of minutes you are good to go. In this way you can listen to vocals or music or making calls while gaming, which I find it useful. That's all for this review of the Xbox wireless headset. I like the build quality and the design of this headset. The materials seems not cheap to me, but we will see if they will last long. These wheels are a nice concept for the volume, both in game and chat and general. Speaking about the volume, I find it to be well balanced, but you have to work a little bit with equalizer in order to get the best of it. Maybe these headsets are not the best in the class, but they do their job amazingly well, and you can perfectly listen to effects like steps or in-game shoots. There is a little bit of lag in medium and high, while the bass is there. But actually really nothing to worry about, and with the use of Dolby Atmos, which I highly recommend because they greatly support it, the overall volume will be well balanced. The mic is okay for a game chat. Sure, there are amazing headsets compatible with the Xbox with double the price maybe, that they have a better mic. But here again, the mic for being a gaming headset mic is doing a great job. At the end, you can connect them also to your mobile or tablet via Bluetooth, so you can use them in different ways. Speaking about the connection, there are some features that are missing that I don't understand, and hopefully Microsoft will fix them. The first is that if you connect the headset to the Xbox via USB cable to charge them, and in the meantime you want to use them while charging, well, you can do that. But if you connect them to the PC with a USB cable charging in them, then well, that is possible to use them. This is something strange. Another strange behavior is when you connect the headset to the PC using the Xbox wireless adapter and enabling the Dolby Atmos feature. In most games or some apps, you will have this audio stuttering issue. This I found strange for being an all ecosystem Microsoft, both hardware and software. Another thing missing, but this is more aesthetic, is the fact that you can fold the drivers in case you want to save space. And the mic is retractable, but you can kind of fold it near the cushions. But personally to me, this is something more aesthetic than some feature missing. The Xbox wireless headset is at a price tag of $99.99, and this makes them one of the best choices for the headsets to use with the Xbox. If you enjoy watching this video, I would so much appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.